Hello, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving straight into how to join and leave channels in Slack. This is your full 2025 guide, so let's get started. Firstly, open your Slack workspace. Now, you might wonder why we start here. It's because your workspace is where all your Slack channels exist. Next up, look for the Channels section in the left-hand sidebar. This is the hub for all your channel-related activities. If you don't see it, don't worry. Just look for a plus icon next to the word Channels and click on it. Now that we've done that, a Browse Channel window will pop up. Here you can view the list of channels available to join. Select the channel you want to join and then click on the Join Channel button. The reason we do this is to ensure you're only joining the channels that are relevant to you. Alright, so you've joined a channel. But what if you want to leave? It's just as simple. Navigate to the channel you wish to leave. Then, click on the channel name at the top of your screen. This will open up a drop-down menu. From this menu, select Leave Channel. And voila, you're out. This helps us because it allows us to declutter our sidebar and focus on the channels that matter most to us. Let me explain why this matters. In our fast-paced digital world, being part of too many channels can lead to information overload. So, knowing how to effectively join and leave channels in Slack is essential for maintaining productivity and focus. And there you have it. You now know how to join and leave channels in Slack. Remember, it's all about streamlining your workspace and ensuring you're only part of the conversations that truly matter. Thank you for tuning in, and see you in the next tutorial.